So you probably have a Citroen like this, right? The C4 Picasso, whatever. I don't know if it's a Picasso, but you know what kind of Citroen this is. You have one of these, all right? Let me show you from afar, man. Okay? If you have a Citroen like this and you're looking for the OBD port, let me show you, man. Now you're probably looking for your OBD port and start looking under here. If you're doing that, looking everywhere around here, you're wasting your time, man, because your OBD port on this Citroen, it's right here. Okay? If you don't find it, that means you're not a smoker. On that ashtray right there, just underneath, it's your OBD port. Voila. There it is. Just right under the ashtray. Okay? The Citroen C4 Picasso. Then you can put back the ashtray. And there it is. Under that, it's your OBD port. Okay? I don't show you. And if you don't know, now you know. Nickel.